So this thermofoil door on the left is here for repair, and many foils are no longer available, and this creates a unique problem. The foil on the right is the closest that we can come to matching the damaged door on the left. As you can see, the old foil is slightly redder and a little darker. So what we're going to do is take this new foil and make it this color so that it looks perfect. So the next step in matching this obsolete thermofoil door that is in need of repair is coming up with a tone of color that, when applied to this new thermofoil color, will then approximate the original. So we've come up with a tone and we've applied it in a varying degree of intensity. You can see it's too dark up here, and as we graduate lighter and lighter, it becomes very close to the original door whose foil is no longer available. So this is part of the process that's extremely difficult, is coming up with the right tone. The original cherry wood foil door in for repair is on the left. You can see the tape securing the delaminated piece of foil to the front. These are the backs of the doors, and the new foil is on the right, which we've had to apply a toner to get it to closely resemble the door originally in for repair. You can see the end grain is quite close. So this is the final product, ready to be shipped back to the customer, with the original on the left and the new match on the right.